Example number 3 also is a distance, rate, time question because we have an airplane flying. So we have distance, rate, and time. We have a tailwind here. So we have into the wind as one direction and tailwind in the other direction. The tailwind will push you faster. So it goes 60 miles per hour in the tailwind. So we're going to go into the wind at whatever the speed is going into the tailwind. And then we have the tailwind making the object go faster. The distance is, the airplane is flying for both legs of the trip is 288 miles an hour. And it says, okay, so then we do the time where we do distance divided by rate and distance divided by rate. It says that the round trip time was 2 hours. So this is going to be really similar to example number 2. We are going to add the two together. And that is going to be equal to 2 hours. So our least common denominator is going to be x minus 60 and x plus 60. So our excluded values are 60 and negative 60. The negative 60, you're not going negative 60 miles per hour, so that doesn't even make sense. And when we multiply, we'll multiply the first fraction by x plus 60. We'll multiply the second fraction by x minus 60. And again, we have a difference of squares. So we're going to multiply the 2 by x squared minus 3,600. This is 60 times 60 is 3,600. So we will have x, oh, I got to put the 288 first. We have 288 times x plus 60. And I'm going to add the 288 times x minus 60. And then I have that is equal to 2 times x squared. Let's write that 2 a little more legibly, minus 3,600. Then I'm going to distribute. So 288 times x is 288. 288 times 60 is 1,280 plus 2, oh, I forgot the x right there. 288x minus 17,280 is equal to 2x squared minus 7,200. Luckily, that big number and that big number cancel. 288 plus 288 is 576x is equal to 2x squared minus 7,200. I'm going to subtract the 576x so I can get to a quadratic. Then I'm going to change color so it's a little more legible. I have 2x squared minus 576x minus 7,200 is equal to 0. I can divide everything by 2 to make my numbers slightly smaller. That makes my 576x go back to 288 and my 7,200 go back to 3,600. Okay, so here I have a choice. I can factor this, or I can use the quadratic formula. So when you get to your homework, you can choose either. I'm going to factor it because I already figured out the numbers. So I'm going to get x minus 300 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. So my answer is x equals 300 or negative 12. Well, I'm not going negative 12 miles per hour in my plane. It wants the speed of the plane in calm air. The plane is going 300 miles per hour.